Hello and welcome to the new series of Agile Project Management with Scrum. This series is created to give you a complete understanding of the Scrum framework. So, in this series, we will cover the most important concepts related to Scrum. We will talk about what is Agile, what exactly Scrum is, benefits of Scrum, the role of Scrum team, Scrum artifacts, Scrum ceremonies, and we'll see how Scrum meeting works. And finally, we will have a brief look at the Scrum framework. So, this series will help you to understand the Scrum framework in the easiest way. That will be beneficial for everyone when you work in a Scrum team of any organization, be it a startup or a well established MNC. With this, you can take advantage of these practices and use them in your daily activities while working in a corporate world. Now, let's jump into the course. Alright, as a part of this series, we are going to understand the basic requirements of the Scrum and the Agile approach. So, let us understand the meaning of Agile and why should we adopt Agile. So, in simple words, I can say Agile means moving faster, being flexible, and responding to changes quickly. Agile is a set of methods and practices that focus on iterative development. Basically, iterative development is a way of breaking down a software development of a large application into smaller chunks of code, where the code and features are developed and tested in repeated cycles. Meaning, in each iteration, the agile approach helps us to create a working piece of software or a product that basically allows a agile team to make quick corrections to those small pieces or chunk of codes whenever needed. So the agile teams are self-organized teams and it allows collaboration in cross-functional teams. Each agile team has 5 to 9 members with different skill sets. The self-organized and cross-functional teams has accountability for the entire product, the piece of product or the module they are creating. So, Agile helps in improving accountability and ensures better visibility of the product which is being created and delivered. Next is Agile framework. There are various framework we have in Agile and those are Scrum, Kanban, Extreme Programming or XP, the Crystal method, and Lean methodology. Organization selects Agile framework based on their requirement and company structure. For example, some companies prefer to use Scrum, some uses Kanban, and some uses both Scrum and Kanban for their product development. In this series, we will focus on Scrum. So let us understand what this Scrum is all about. So Scrum is an agile framework that enables team to work together. Meaning, while we become an agile team, collaboration is very important. And with Scrum, team can learn from experience. Team is self-organized while working on any problem, which means team members work together, discuss and brainstorm. Scrum also allows the team to improve their losses, meaning whenever things do not go well, the Scrum approach helps to do necessary correction in terms of doing it better and quicker. Then we have some benefits of using Scrum, and those are the product is divided into several sprints. Team can provide project deliverables in an efficient manner. Time and money are used efficiently. Scrum work best for fast moving project. Scrum meetings provide great visibility on project progress. Scrum has regular customer involvement and team can get regular feedback on their work. Make changes quickly based on the feedback. Now, let me pick each of these topics one by one and discuss in detail. The product is divided into several sprints. Here, the sprint is nothing but an iteration. It is a time boxed event that is a subset of product backlogs. Those are taken as a sprint backlog. Basically, the product backlog has multiple set of epics, user stories, and tasks. Out of these, certain epics and user stories are taken into the sprint backlog. And those epic and user stories are delivered as a part of the sprint and reviewed on daily basis as a part of daily Scrum meeting so that team can provide deliverables quicker and in efficient manner. Next is time and money are used efficiently. Since we are developing a product in a small and working piece of software in every iteration, so the experience of using that piece would also be there and quick feedbacks will come back from the customer. So the product will be delivered on time and in estimated budget. Scrum works best for fast moving projects. As you can see that we are dividing the project into small chunks of code. So it allows us to deliver a project faster by acknowledging every changes or result that is created. And we need to confirm that the product is defect free, meaning all those items which are supposed to be addressed are taken care of. Scrum meeting provides great visibility on project progress. Since there is a daily stand-up meeting or daily Scrum meetings that keeps happening on daily basis, in the daily meeting, people shares details about what they have done from the previous daily Scrum, what they accepted to complete, and what did they complete. Is everything completed or something is pending? If it is pending, then why is that pending? What next you are going to do further before the next Scrum meeting? So these points are discussed and understood. This is a quick 15-minute meeting that gives insights into the project progress. And further, if there is any kind of dependency or deviation which occurs, then Scrum Master will sit with the team separately to understand that issue and blocker in detail. So, daily Scrum meeting of Scrum gives quick insight that increases the visibility of what is happening on the ground. Then Scrum has a regular customer involvement and team can get the regular feedback on their work and accordingly team can make changes based on their feedback. So that's all from this video. In the next video, we will continue our Scrum series and we'll see the different roles and responsibility of a Scrum team. Till then, thanks for listening. Have a nice day.